I was 1 second away from losing everything.
I stopped running and started building.
You've probably seen Minecraft videos getting insanely high RPM, but do you know why? Well, in today's video, I'm going to break it down for you, and not just that. I'll also show you 2 free AI video generators plus 1 free AI image generator. So make sure you don't skip this video. First of all, take a look at this Minecraft-based channel. This channel has uploaded only a limited number of videos, but if you check the views, almost every video has millions of views, nothing less. Now let's talk about subscribers. This channel has over 5.2 million subscribers, with only around 619 videos. And when it comes to earnings, this channel has generated approximately 99.6K USD. Now the big question is, why is their RPM so high? Let me explain. If you open their videos and go to the latest or most popular section, you'll notice something important. They are uploading long-form videos, around 35 minutes each. Because of this, their audience retention stays high, which directly increases RPM. And that's why YouTube is paying them around $9 to $10 per $1,000 views. This is exactly how they're making around 99.6K monthly. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. For you, I've already prepared a complete master prompt. This prompt includes image prompts, video prompts, voiceover, scene flow, style guidelines, cinematic lighting, depth of field. Everything is already done for you. You'll find the link to this master prompt in the description. Simply copy it. Then go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click Generate. As soon as you do that, ChatGPT will create a highly cinematic master output for you. It will include Scene 1, Scene 2, up to Scene 10. Each scene will have image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover, all included. And yes, the character remains consistent, so you don't need screenshots or extra setup. Everything is already optimized. Now moving to the next step. To generate images, we're going to use a free tool called Flow AI. Now simply open the website. I've provided the link in the description. Once you're there, click on Create with Flow and log in using any Google account. After logging in, you'll see multiple options here, including image and video generation. For now, we're going to generate images. Select Image, then choose the 9:16 ratio. After that, click on 1x and make sure the selected number of images is set to 2. Now, choose the model Nano Banana Pro. You don't need any reference image today because the images we're creating are already in a consistent style. So, go to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, come back here, paste it, and click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your first image will start processing. Within a few seconds, you'll see the result. You can preview it. And as you can see, the first image looks absolutely amazing. Now, if for some reason the tool doesn't generate a consistent character style, here's a simple trick. Go to a similar channel. Take a screenshot of the character you like from the thumbnail. Upload it here as a reference image, and then generate again. That will fix the consistency. Now repeat the same process for all 10 prompts. No changes needed, just paste each prompt and generate. As you can see, I've already generated all 10 images. Preview them one by one. They look incredibly beautiful and consistent. This tool is very fast, AI-powered, and currently 100% free. That's why I keep showing it in my videos. Because right now, it's free, but we don't know how long it will stay free, so this is the best time to take advantage of it. Now let's move to the next step, video generation. Today, we're going to use 2 tools for generating videos. So let's begin. Open your browser and search for the FaceRT tool video name Upsampler. The link is also in the description. You'll see a website labeled Free AI Video Generator, no sign up. Click on it and open. The best part is, you don't need to log in. Here, you'll find 3 models available. We'll start with the LTX2 model. Click on it, then upload your first image as input. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt and voiceover, come back here, and paste it. Select the ratio 9:16, and click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your first video will start processing. Now let's talk about something important. I always bring you free AI tools, but you guys don't support enough. We prepare master prompts for you, guide you step by step, and show you how to get monetized. So make sure you support the channel, subscribe, and always leave a comment. If you have any problem, just comment. I read them. Now here's the result of the first video. There's one issue. It only generated a 3-second video, but we need at least 5 to 8 seconds. So honestly, this tool is okay for beginners, but not perfect. Now let's try generating another video. Upload the next image, paste the prompt again, and click Generate. As you can see, the second result is also 3 seconds, and this time, it doesn't even include sound. So now, let's move to a better tool. The next tool we're going to use is Digenai. Simply open Digenai. The link is in the description. Once you're there, select the model RealMotion 3.1 Turbo. This is the main free model. Now click on Upload Image and upload your first image. Then go to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt and voiceover, and paste it here. Click on Generate, and your video generation will start. At the same time, I'm also starting the second video. Upload the second image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. This tool allows you to generate 2 videos at a time, with a short gap of around 1 to 2 minutes. And the best part? It's completely free. As you can see, I have 0 credits, but I'm still generating unlimited videos. Now both videos are processing, and within a short time, the results will be ready. And here's the result. As you can see, the video is generated with voiceover, and it looks absolutely amazing. The camera motion is smooth. The scene looks cinematic. It's very powerful. The second video is also ready, and it looks just as professional. Now, repeat the same process for all scenes. Upload image, paste prompt, click Generate, one by one. Generate all videos. As you can see, I've generated all videos. They look incredibly beautiful and cinematic. Now, simply download all of them. Next step, editing, which is very important. Without editing, your video won't perform well. For editing, we're going to use CapCut. Open CapCut. Import all your videos and place them one by one on the timeline. Adjust the clips properly. After that, add transitions between clips. Now you'll notice a Digenai logo on the video. To remove it, simply create a compound clip, then slightly scale the video. The logo will be removed. Now go to the audio section, and you'll also find the captions option. From here, you can generate captions, which look very engaging and professional. And finally, export your video in 4K quality. So guys, today, you learned how to generate images using free AI tools, create videos using 2 different generators, and edit everything professionally. Now it's your turn. Create your own channel, upload consistently, and start earning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and support the channel.